Hello friends. In this video we will try to discuss one of the Linux interview question. The ask will be, can you get me the number of words, number of lines and number of characters in a given file? So we'll try to see how to get that information by just creating some sample text file. Okay. So right now we are in terminal. Let's say, can you list nothing is available. Let's do touch of text file 1.txt. So now you can give ls, we have file. Now just give the va of text file.txt, press in insert mode, then type some text. Let's say Spark framework is very fast for big data processing. Let's say second line, Python is good to use for ML and AI. And let's say Linux is good for big data developers, and say Hadoop framework is widely used in big data platform. So we have these four lines. Now let's try to save. Okay, now let's try to cat this file. Just select this. So we do have data right now in the some sample text file. Now we will try to apply the word count. How to get the word count? By applying wc command. Okay, now let's try wc will give us the word count. Let's try to take up this. Now just enter it. Just apply the wc command forward by the file name. So it is returning 432.176 as well as the text file 1. So what is this for? This 4 belongs to number of lines which we had it. This 32 number of words. This 176 is number of characters which is present within the text file. Okay, so that's the meaning of that. So we can able to see by using wc command for the text file, number of lines, number of words, and number of characters followed by the file name. So here is the structure of format when we are going to directly apply with wc with the text file. Okay, now we have seen how to get the number of characters, number of words, and number of lines. Now we will try to list, let's say ls-l, and then just take the file name. Now if you can able to see, here it is showing 176. So what does it mean? It's number of bytes. Means when we see number of characters are 176. So here it is, each character is belongs to number of bytes. One character is equal to 1 byte. So hence it was displaying 176 here. Okay, for this in this file which is resides. Okay, for example, he may ask, so I want to only the number of lines. Okay, so in that case what we have to see, in your text file he is expecting only the number of lines. In that case we have to display, just copy this and paste it here, just hit it. See, Here it is number of lines only displayed. Now he is expects number of words only he want to display. Then what will be the command we have to use? Number of wc hyphen w, and then take this text file. Now apply. See, the number of words has displayed. Now what if I want to display only the number of characters? In this case, just put it here C. So and then enter. See, 176 it was displaying. So by applying wc hyphen l, we can able to return only the number of lines. If I want to fetch only the number of words in a text file, then wc hyphen w. If I want to return only the number of characters, wc hyphen c for that file name. So if we can give, then this is how we can get the independently in order to achieve our goal. So let's say, for example, if I want to print the number of lines and the number of words both, okay, in a different combination he may expect. So in this case, what we have to do, what is the expectation? Number of lines and words. So then lines and words, then apply the file name. Now run it. See, number of lines are 4 and number of words are 32. Okay, in the similar fashion, we want to see the number of lines and number of characters. In this case, just apply wc hyphen lc followed by the text file. Now this is going to return number of lines followed by number of characters. Okay, now we will try to see another combination. So now we will try to see number of words and number of characters. Words and characters means w and c. wc hyphen wc followed by the text file. If we hit it now, see, 32 is the words and the characters is 176. So this is how we can able to see, we can able to describe about the wc. Okay, and what if I want to apply multiple files at the same time in order to see the similar fashion data? So is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now what we'll try to see, just do another touch. Let's say text file 2.txt, it is created. Now just open this txt. Now enter some text. Let's say Pleasanton city resides under California. Okay, and then what else we can take? Raleigh city resides under North Carolina. And then okay, we'll try to take these two cities. Now let's save this. Now we have two text files. Let's list it. We have text file 1, text file 2. Now I would like to apply the word count in the similar fashion. Let's say wc of text file 1 and then text file 2. Okay, now let's try to hit it. See, in the first file 4 lines and the second file have 3 lines. Okay, and 32 words, and second file have 11 words. First file have 176 characters, second file have 82 characters only. So this is giving the total sum at the third line. 7 lines. Both the text files had 7 lines and 43 words and 258 characters. So this is how we can able to get it for the multiple files. And we can also apply the same operations. Like if I want to see the number of lines as well as number of words. For example, let's say lines and words for the for both the files. Now let's hit it. See, in these two files only number of lines and number of words has been displayed. In the same fashion you can apply number of lines and number of characters. It was displaying. See, here it is, number of lines and number of characters, it is displayed. And in the similar fashion, if you want to see number of words and number of characters, just hit it. So you can able to see number of words and number of characters. So this is how using these combinations, okay, so we can able to see and analyze the any type of info about the text file. Okay, so I hope you guys understand this. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it and share it, and please do the comment.